Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Muhammad Ali bin Isar Ahmad. My metric number is 1242001. So today, I'll be presenting to you guys about one of the Islamic prominent scholar in the Golden Age. So his name is Nasiruddin At-Tusi, also known as At-Tusi, and I'll be explaining further about the reasons for my group choosing this scholar. So Nasiruddin At-Tusi was chosen because of he was a remarkable scholar who mastered in many fields, including astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, ethics, and theology. His broad knowledge showed not only his intelligence but also his curiosity and dedication to learning. Such versatility is rare and makes him an exceptional figure to study. This wide range of expertise provides a rich background for understanding how different areas of knowledge can connect. So also his influence went far beyond his own region and time. Although he lived during the Islamic Golden Age, his ideas reached Europe and inspired important figures like Copernicus. This wide-reaching impact demonstrates the global importance of his contributions. Hence, studying Atusi helps us to appreciate how knowledge travels and evolves across the cultures. At-Tusi was also a key figure in preserving the knowledge of earlier civilizations. Through his translations and commentaries on Greek and Persian works, he ensured that valuable knowledge was passed down and improved. So, this role is vital in the history of science and philosophy because it shows the importance of safeguarding and building upon the wisdom of the past. Furthermore, he also lived in a very challenging period marked by the Mongol invasions. So, despite the difficulties, he continued to work as a scholar and advisor to the ruler. His resilience and dedications are inspiring examples of how intellectual pursuits can survive even if in times of crisis. This will also make his story special and meaningful for those who value perseverance in learning. All in all, choosing Nasiruddin At-Tusi allows us to explore the connection between knowledge, culture, and history. His life teaches how wisdom can thrive despite challenges and how ideas can influence people across time and place. So he remains a shining example of the lasting power of scholarship and learning.
Next, I will be presenting the life history of the scholar about At-Tusi. So as we all know, his name is Muhammad bin Al-Hasan At-Tusi, who was born on 18 February 1201 in Tus, Khorasan, which is known as Iran. So next, in Nishabur, he met Farid Adi Atta, the legendary Sufi master, who was later killed in the hand of Mongol attackers, and attended the lectures of Qutb ad-Din al-Misri and Farid ad-Din Dolman. So next in Mosul, he studied mathematics subject and astronomy continuously with Kamaluddin Yunus. After that, he dealing his agreement with Kaisari, the son-in-law of Ibn al-Arabi, by a letter. And it seems that mysticism, spread by Sufi master of his time, was not threatening to his minds, and if the time was suitable, he composed his own manual of philosophical Sufism in the form of small booklet entitled The Attributes of the Illustrious, which is Awsaf al-Ashraf. Tusi also made the most significant developments of the Ptolemy model of the planetary system up to the developments of the heliocentric model in the time of Copernicus. He also created the famous Tusi couple, which resolved linear motion into the sum of two circular motion. This because to remove all the Ptolemy system, all the part of Ptolemy system that were not based on the principle of uniform circular motion. Last but not least, Tusi had a number of his pupils. One of the better known being Nizam al-A'raj, who also wrote a commentary on the Al-Majlis. Another of his pupils, Qutb ad-Din al-Shirazi, gave the first satisfactory mathematical explanation of the rainbow. All these pupils continue Tusi's influence to the whole world.
Scholarly contribution of Al-Tusi. Nasir al-Din Al-Tusi contribute many things in aspect Islamic matters with many field that he successfully. The major contribution of Al-Tusi into astronomy field, the invention of a geometrical technique recognized as the Al-Tusi couple. So Al-Tusi too wrote over 150 work, his book in Arabic and Persian, including the subject of a mathematical science, Muslim scholar, philosophy, and the religious science with his influence work in a different field. He acquired the title of Khawaja, a recognized scholar and teacher. So, Ustad al-Bashar, a teacher of mankind, and al-Muallim al-Thalith, the third of teacher after Aristotle and al-Farabi.
Next, I would like to present about the contributions of Nasir ad-Din At-Tusi. Nasir ad-Din At-Tusi has an elite in the field of science, mathematics, physics, and astronomy. At-Tusi has its own contribution during Islamic Golden Age, simply like the other Islamic scholar. There are many great and interesting contributions he made, such as founder and principal director at Maragha Observatory. Maragha Observatory is built around 1259 in Maragha, Azerbaijan, during the Mongol period. This observatory was the most advanced center for astronomical research in the Islamic world at that time, and completely with a library, laboratory, and living quarters for scientists. In addition, more than 20 astronomers worked there and making it the center of collection and improvement for astronomical knowledge. In one of his contributions is create a Tusi couple. Tusi couple. What is Tusi couple? Tusi couple, which also known as Tusi's mechanism, is a mathematical device in which a small circle rotates inside a larger circle twice in the diameter of the smaller circle. These rotations of the circles cause a point on the circumference of the smaller circle to oscillate back and forth in linear motion along a diameter of the larger circle. The Tusi couple is a two-cusped hypoheliot. The couple was first proposed by the 30th century Persian astronomer and mathematician Nasir ad-Din At-Tusi in his 1247 Tahrir al-Majisti commentary on the Al-Magis as a solution for the latitudinal motion of the inferior planets.
Nasir al-Din Al-Tusi has significant name in this astronomy field as his work revolution the way celestial phenomena giving advantages for the world today. So one of the most notable invention, the Tusi couple, they demonstrate his ingenuity and deep understanding of planetary motion, explain the apparent oscillatory movement of a planet. So Al-Tusi played a key role in establishing the Maraghi Observatory as the one of the most advanced the astronomical institution of his time. So during his leadership, this observatory became a hub for scientific research, attracting scholars from across the Islamic world and beyond. So Al-Tusi and his team too was contribute many of things, especially conducted meticulous observatory of the stars, planet, and compiling data.
Al-Tusi was the first to write a work on trigonometry independently of astronomy. It was in the works of Al-Tusi that trigonometry achieved the status of an independent branch of pure mathematics, distinct from astronomy to which it had been linked for so long. He was the first to list the 6 distinct cases of a right triangle in spherical trigonometry. This followed earlier work by Greek mathematicians such as Menelaus of Alexandria, and the earlier Muslim mathematicians Abu al-Wafa al-Buzjani and al-Jayyani. In his On the Sector Figure appears the famous sine law for plane triangles. He also states the sine law for spherical triangles, discovered the law of tangents for spherical triangles, and provide proofs for these laws. Next up is about color theory. Nasir ad-Din At-Tusi has also contributed in color theory. This is about knowledge about colors and how all the colors relate to one, and how can we use those colors to create image in design, paintings, graphics, and clothes. In the era of Aristotle has suggested that all the colors can be aligned on a single line from black to white, while Ibn Sina, he said, or described it in three paths, from black to white, one path via gray, a second path via red, and the third path via green. While Atusi, he stated that there are no less than five paths via lemon, yellow, blood, red, pistachio, green, indigo, blue, and grey. In addition, about his ideas in color theory are color mix, fundamental colors, and symbolic and emotional. For make it more interesting, Atusi did all this 4,000 plus years before Newton experimented with light and primes. In his book Akhlaqi Nasiri, he wrote plenty of biological topics that defended what have been stated by Aristotle's Scala Naturae, which he placed man above animals, plants, materials, and the elements. In this concept, Aristotle described that how the elements are evolved. In his book that mentioned look at the world of animal and birds, they have all necessary for defender. As specifically in his field, Atusi recognized that organisms have specific adaptation that allow them to thrive in their environment. He believed that if an organism's structure corresponds to its environment, by his research makes change our perspective things for today about what Western culture bring their theory and bringing the correct way how to understand about some material life.
Altusi contribution to in chemistry field make a huge starting an early law of a conservation of mass. So Altusi make a theory in his chemistry about chemical transformation was based on the idea that substance could be transformed into other substance through a chemical reaction, but that the total mass of the substance involved in the reaction would remain constant. So this idea was precursors to the law of conservation of mass, which state that the total mass of a closed system remains constant during a chemical reaction. So Althussi believed that chemical transformation were governed by natural law and that they could be understood through observation, experimentation, and logical reasoning. Al-Tusi contribute many writing to the topic of philosophy. Almost amongst his philosophical work his disagreement with fellow philosopher Avicen. The most famous philosophical work is Akhlaq al-Nasiri or Nasirian ethics. Um, Within his work, he discussed and compared Islamic teaching to the ethic of Aristotle and Plato. Al-Tusi book became a popular ethical work in the Muslim world, specifically in India and Persia. So Al-Tusi too contribute to logic content in his Persian Asas al-Iqtibas, the ground for the acquisition of a knowledge written during the Ismaili period. It also stands as the testimony to write about technical subject in a Persian.
For my part, is significant contribution and relevance today. We talk about Nasir al-Din was one of importance and influential of Islamic scholar during Islamic Golden Age, and his contribution played the important key by the world for today. He contribute many things. Is astronomy, mathematics, biology, chemistry, and philosophy. This significance of all of Al-Tusi has huge of contribution is astronomy by create modern theory known as the Tusi couple. Al-Tusi developed geometry model to explain planetary motion without violating Aristotle concept. Really development today solar system. In mathematics too, by his studies given biggest impact for today based on trigonometry system. As the first person who treat this trigonometry system, he also compiled sine, cosine, tangent and cotangent tables and make formulated laws, sines and cosinus for spherical triangles. By this concept for today, which is being using for engineering, physics, architecture and space science. Significant contribution and relevance today, and will continue as which is Al-Tusi play a crucial role and important role in spreading the influence of Ibn Sina among later Islamic philosophers. In Islamic scholars assert that Al-Tusi work not only revive Ibn Sina thought, but also produce text remain the primary sources for teaching Islamic philosophy in traditional circle. His ethical thought continue to inform contemporary Islamic ethics and philosophical debates in Muslim societies about morality and governance by the matters about theology and metaphysics. Preserve rationalist philosophical tradition with Islamic thought. By the making Maragah Observatory, the development and established astronomical system during Al-Tusi leadership giving impact today by help shift astronomy from theoretical and philosophical pursuit to an empirical data science that more scientific, not just to by the developed the Tusi couple that generate linear motion to solving a key problem in Ptolemaic astronomy. In modern impact by this method can help philosophers and historians of science to recognize a case study that used in physics field to solving and understand the concept of Al-Tusi. That's all my part about significant contribution and relevance today. Thank you.
The reflection in scholar life from one of the greatest scholar in history, Nasir al-Din al-Tusi, teach us the strongest will can encourage a person to achieve their goals in life. Even though his homeland was swept away by Genghis Khan, he did not stop his spirits or his desire to continue learning. His passion for knowledge remains strong. He showed the world that the love of wisdom can drive a person to develop and share knowledge, even in the hardest times. This is proven through the contribution of scholars like Al-Tusi, who wrote books and preserved knowledge in fields such as science, astronomy, and trigonometry. His efforts remind us how valuable learning is for the progress of humanity. We must never stop learning, even it is difficult. One from his poem says, "Anyone who knows and knows that he knows makes the steed of intelligence leap over the vault of heaven. Anyone who does not know but knows that he does not know can bring his lame little donkey to the destination nonetheless. Anyone who does not know and does not know that he does not know is stuck forever in double ignorance." These words carry deep meaning. They remind us to be aware of what we know, honest about what we don't know, and these words carry deep meaning. These words carry deep meaning. They remind us to be aware of what we know, honest about we don't. This word carry deep meaning. This word carry deep meaning. They remind us to be aware of what we know, honest about what we don't, and committed to the lifelong journey of learning. Let us take inspiration from Nasir Ad-Din Al-Tusi to be strong spirit, firm in purpose, and forever dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next is the intellectual humility. Despite his vast knowledge, Al-Tusi was known for his humility and willingness to improve his ideas based on new facts and figures. Hence, as a student, we have to reflect ourselves to openly admit any criticism toward us. Second, multidisciplinary learning. Historically, Al-Tusi is well known excel in many disciplines such as astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, and theology, and also medicine. He even able to create a new and accurate formulation on planetary motion. As a lesson learned, we should be able to gain as many knowledge as possible to improve our scholar life. And lastly, contribution to humanity. As we know, Al-Tusi have created formulation that give a huge impact to nowadays, especially in discipline astronomy. As a student, we have to very knowledgeable. Hence, we can contribute our expert to society. Thank you.